In this video, we're diving into how to do live lessons in Zoom on LearnWorlds. Whether you're already using LearnWorlds or just getting started, this tutorial will walk you through the process step by step so you can easily integrate Zoom into your LearnWorlds platform. Stick around because, by the end, we'll also cover a few great alternatives that could work better for your needs, and we have an exclusive free trial offer just for you. First off, let's make sure your Zoom account is ready. If you haven't already, head over to Zoom's website and set up an account. It's free to get started. After your Zoom account is all set up, the next thing you'll want to do is connect it to LearnWorlds. To do this, log into your LearnWorlds dashboard and navigate to the Integrations section. There, you'll find Zoom under the Live Sessions Integrations. You'll need to click the Connect button and sign in with your Zoom credentials. This is where LearnWorlds and Zoom start working together, so make sure your accounts are linked properly. Next thing you'll need to do is create your live lesson. Go to the Courses section of LearnWorlds, select the course you're working on, and look for the Live Session tab. Click on it, and you'll be prompted to schedule your Zoom session. You can set a time, date, and duration for your live lesson. This is where the integration starts to shine. LearnWorlds automatically adds the Zoom link to the course, making it easy for students to join the class at the scheduled time. Now, here's something that can be a bit tricky for some, making sure your students can actually access the live lesson. Once you've scheduled the session, make sure that the access settings are set properly. This means deciding who can join the live lesson, whether it's open to everyone enrolled in your course, or if it's invite only for specific students. The fourth thing to keep in mind is that LearnWorlds offers some customization for your live lessons. You can add special instructions, course material, or anything else you think your students might need. Customize it so that your lesson is tailored to your students' needs. One important thing I want to mention here, while LearnWorlds does a good job integrating with Zoom, some users feel that the live lesson experience can be a bit clunky compared to standalone tools that focus solely on video conferencing. With LearnWorlds, you're managing everything, your courses, your content, your students, all in one platform, but that can lead to limitations when it comes to features or the overall user experience of live lessons. And let's be honest, while LearnWorlds gets the job done, other platforms out there might give you more freedom and flexibility for your live lessons. The fifth thing I want to highlight is that you'll want to track your session data and analytics. LearnWorlds makes it easy to keep track of how many students attended your live lesson, how engaged they were, and what content they interacted with. This can help you fine-tune future lessons and see if your students are getting the most out of your content. Now, the big question, are there better options out there for doing live lessons in Zoom? The truth is, while LearnWorlds is a strong platform for course creation, if your primary focus is live teaching and real-time interaction, there are other tools that might suit you better. I'll drop a link in the description for an alternative that gives you more control over your live sessions, and as a bonus, it offers a free trial too. Through our link, you'll get the best free trial and exclusive benefits available to our viewers. But don't just take my word for it. Check out the alternatives I've mentioned, and see which one fits your needs best for live lessons and beyond. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check the first link in the description for all the details on that exclusive offer.